In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a trademark symbol in Adobe Illustrator. This is a quick and useful skill to know, especially if you're working on logos, brand names, packaging, or any design that needs a trademark or registered trademark symbol added neatly into your text. The good news is that Illustrator makes this very simple once you know the keyboard shortcut. To begin, select the Type tool by pressing T on your keyboard, or by clicking the Type tool in the toolbar. This is the tool you'll use anytime you want to create or edit text inside Illustrator. Make sure the Type tool is active before moving on because the symbol needs to be inserted into a text area. Next, click exactly where you want to insert the symbol. This could be next to a word, a brand name, or anywhere inside an existing line of text. If you're adding the symbol to text you've already typed, just place your text cursor in the correct position. Taking a second to click in the right spot will help you avoid having to move the symbol later. Now, if you want to insert the trademark symbol, hold down the Alt key and type 0153 on the numeric keypad. When you release the Alt key, the trademark symbol will appear. One important detail here is that this shortcut uses the numeric keypad. So if you're using a full keyboard, make sure you're entering the numbers from the keypad section rather than the number row at the top of the keyboard. If instead you need the registered trademark symbol, hold down the Alt key and type 0174 on the numeric keypad. Then release the Alt key and the registered trademark symbol will be inserted where your cursor is placed. These shortcuts are especially helpful when you want a fast, clean way to add symbols without searching through menus or copying and pasting from another source. If the symbol doesn't appear, the most common reason is that the numbers were entered from the top row of the keyboard instead of the numeric keypad. So that's the first thing to check. And that's it. Select the Type tool, click where you want the symbol, then use Alt and 0153 for the trademark symbol, or Alt and 0174 for the registered trademark symbol. Once you do it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and can really speed up your workflow in Adobe Illustrator.